Most traders blow their accounts within weeks of starting out. Why? Because they skip the one thing that could have saved them, and that is demo trading. Today, I'm going to show you how to use software like TradingView and Autoflow without risking a single dollar and to practice like a pro. Stick around because this might be the difference between the 90% who lose and the 10% who win. Now, in this part of the beginner series, I'm going to give you an introduction to demo trading, and I will show you how to risk $0 of your own capital when starting to learn how to trade. So let's get into it. The key benefits are that it helps in learning mechanics of trading platforms and developing strategies without financial risk. Because sometimes people might even take losses by accidentally placing trades or placing the wrong orders. So it does make sense to familiarize yourself with the trading platform that you're using, but it's always best to practice that with a demo trading account rather than using real money and losing money unnecessarily. So the key benefit here is that we have a risk-free learning. So what we can do is gain experience without the risk of losing money. We can also test strategies. So whenever I am testing a new strategy, I always prefer to do that on demo trading, because at the time I am testing a strategy, I don't know yet how well it will perform. So it's always best to not risk capital unless you have a proven system and you know the characteristics of each and every trading platform you are using. So one more thing, especially for the ones who are just starting out, which is extremely beneficial when it comes to demo trading, is the emotional control. We can practice managing emotions such as fear and greed in a simulated environment. In this lesson, I will also cover how to move from demo trading to real trading, as there will be differences and it will challenge you psychologically when you transition from demo trading to real trading and have actually money on the lines. The first thing I want to show you is here in TradingView and how to connect demo trading, how to apply demo trading in TradingView. So let's get into it. And for the paper trading account here on TradingView, we have access to a virtual account with adjustable balance. So first of all, let me show you how to connect your paper trading account to TradingView. So at the beginning, you will be in the main chart of TradingView. And down here, what you can see is the trading panel. So once you click trading panel, it allows you to open this window. And what you are simply going to do here is click on paper trading and connect your paper trading account. What you will see by default is that you have an account balance of 100,000. As you can see, there's no realized P&L, there's no unrealized P&L, as that is a new paper trading account. So for now, we want to close this window. But at some point we can refer back to it because we will see all the orders, the history and the account history, but also get a trading journal. That is very beneficial, especially if you want to journal your trades. So you don't have to actually write it down and collect all your trades. TradingView is going to do the job for you. So let's minimize this window and see how we can actually place a trade. For this, we're going to use a market that is currently open. I'm going to go down to a 1 minute time frame, just to see a little bit of action here. And I have to open my trade panel. It will open on the right side of your screen. And what you can do here is either do a limit order or a market order. So for this example, I want to do a market order. I want to use a one contract order. Okay, I'm also going to set a take profit. This will be, I think, for the sake of this example, I'm just going to take a quick short trade and I can actually just drag and drop it. So you have two options. One is to have a predefined take profit and a predefined stop loss. But what you can also do, what I will show you next, is simply take a trade. Here we want to do the sell order. This is not a real trade, by the way, just for the sake of example. All right, one contract is filled here and we can drag and drop the stop loss as well as take profit. So what's very convenient about TradingView is that it will actually show the dollar risk that we have in this particular trade, but also the expected reward. So this will be a risk of $325 for a potential reward of $650. Okay, so we can see currently this is an unrealized $160 profit. Let's move the stop loss lower so we actually get stopped out of this trade, so we can use this count journal here as well. So let's see, I'm just going to move it lower and lower because I want to be out of this trade to show you how it looks like once a trade is realized. Let me see. There we go. This trade is now stopped out. That's perfect. And we can go down to, this is not the way we would trade normally, obviously, but we can go down to the orders. And what we will see here is the sell order that we placed and the stop loss that we placed. We can also have a look at the history. That will be if the trade is filled, cancelled. The take profit is obviously cancelled. We can see a realized P&L of minus 175. The account history, this is where we see all the individual P&Ls. All right, this is minus $175. And in the trade journal, we will see everything that we've done by moving the stop loss, moving the take profit, and then eventually closing this trade. So that is a very handy tool here in TradingView to be able to trade every single market. We can do the same for Bitcoin, for example. We can simply connect the trading panel to paper trading and place a trade on Bitcoin as well. We might as well set a limit order. So why don't we set a limit order for a short trade up there, sell limit, and once Bitcoin hits 107,442, this account would enter a short trade on Bitcoin. We can again adjust the stop loss and the take profit to have that all calculated before we even take the trade. But since that's just an example, I can also delete these levels very easily. So besides paper trading or demo trading on TradingView, some of you are already using a order flow software. And for myself, this will be ATAS. And ATAS is a powerful platform for order flow analysis, and it offers a demo trading mode. So let's have a look at ATAS and its demo trading mode as well. For this, I'm going to take you over to my ATAS window here. This is my 1-minute scalping template for the NASDAQ. And what we have over here is also a demo trading account. Okay, so whenever you see under account that it says demo trading, you have a demo trading account selected. And when it comes to demo trading, it's very similar. It looks a little bit different here on the trading panel. For the ones that don't know how to open it, this you can either use a shortcut, which will be the T on your keyboard. You can see I can open or I can close and reopen the chart trader, but I can also do it down here. Close it and open the chart trader. So what I can do now is take a trade, same as we did on TradingView. So let's actually buy the top here on NASDAQ. We don't like to do this in a real market environment, but just for the sake of this example, we can take a long trade up here and place a stop loss all the way down here and then aim for a nice move to the upside. Okay, we're trading at all-time highs on NASDAQ, but this is just the simulation for this demo trading feature here on ATAS. So whenever you connect your ATAS, there is the demo trading connected automatically. So you don't have to change anything. The only thing you have to do is open the chart trader and then you can start trading and start to learn how to trade. So besides market orders, we can also place limit orders on ATAS as well. So for that, we can close this market order. And what we are going to do is use the right click button on the mouse and then place a sell limit, for example. This is going to open a short trade once we hit that price level. Here we can see this limit order is executed and we can now set a stop loss and a predefined take profit, which will be the buy limit down here. So this is how simple and easy you can practice in a real market environment, as that is the same data one would get when trading with real money, but not having the risk of risking actual capital when someone is starting or learning how to trade. And as I said, even for the more experienced traders like myself, I would still make use of the demo trading when I test a new strategy and don't like to risk capital unless the strategy is proven that it's working. Okay, so this is always a great tool for the ones who are starting out. So as I said, demo trading always feels a little bit different compared to trading on a real account. On a real account, there's emotions involved. When it comes to demo trading, not so much, right? We don't really care if we lose paper trading money or make profits on that account. But when we're trading in a real environment and risk our own capital, there's emotions involved and we don't want to lose money, right? So the transition from demo trading to live trading should only be considered once you achieve consistent success in demo trading. So first and foremost, you want to have a strategy and a proven track record locked down on a demo trading account. What I would also recommend, no financial advice obviously, but is starting with a small live account. So start with a small account balance to ease the transition and manage emotional challenges. So for the ones who are testing on demo trading and then start trading with a very big account, that might even make the transition more difficult because these emotions will be a lot harder to deal with when there is a lot of risk involved. And what I would also recommend, as I previously said, is continued practice using a demo account to test new strategies. So whenever there's something you want to test or backtest, always refer back to the demo trading tool. And one important note is that demo trading does not replicate the emotional pressure when real money is involved. So be prepared for a different experience. And I can speak for myself that there will be a difference between demo trading and risking your own money. But that is something we can be prepared for and ease into slowly and gradually. We don't have to do it all at the same time and risk a lot of money. We can start with a small balance, take one trade on a real account, then transition over to a demo trading account to have a very slow and easy transition period. So in summary, the demo trading is an essential tool for beginners. I would recommend every single one to use. That allows you to build skills, develop strategies, and gain confidence without financial risk. So I hope you take that lesson very seriously, because we actually as traders have all the tools available to learn without risking capital. And let me know how it goes and see you in the next lesson.